Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am doing this video because to update my today's trade. Today's date is 3rd October 2024 and the time is now 8:10 p.m. But I have finished the trade today. I took the trade at 6:10 p.m. I bought the 6000 call option at rupees of 242 rupees. And I finished the trade at 6:34 p.m. at a price of 263 rupees. So I got a 21 points profit on this trade. This is the only trade today I have done. I don't trade anymore today. So this is the only trade. Today's profit is 8,400 rupees. Initially my entry came at 5:30 p.m. but I came late today to the market, so I have taken the trade at after 6:10 p.m. only, because there is no any movement after the entry. So I used that opportunity to take entry, only late entry only after 6:10 p.m. and I booked the profit of 40 points after the entry. This is entry candle and I wait for 40 points and I took the profit at this candle only. So today's my profit is 8,400 rupees only, and I used the capital of only 1 lakh only for this trade, because I put 4 lots of 6,000 call option strike at the LTP of 242 rupees only. So I used only 1 lakh capital for this trade and I finished the trade at 263 rupees with a profit of 21 points. Okay, this is the only trade I have done today, because I don't do any trade hereafter, because the time is already past 8 p.m. So the time is already 8 p.m. So I do not interested to do trades anymore. Okay, this is only one trade today and I have booked the profit of 8,400 rupees with a capital of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this is enough for me for a capital of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, if you want to learn my crude oil trading strategy, please contact my WhatsApp number. Or today's video is to update my today's trade only. So we will meet in the next video. Thanks for your support and love, guys. Please support my channel and subscribe my channel.